Hi everybody, welcome to this Wall Street News. According to the US Department of Labor, the number of Americans claiming unemployment benefits fell from 228,000 to 216,000 in the week ending October 26th. The US Bureau of Economic Analysis reported Thursday that the PCE price index increased 2.1% from the previous year. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, compensation costs for civilian workers rose 0.8% in the third quarter of 2024, less than a 0.9% increase in the second quarter of 2024. 10-year Treasury yield is hovering around 4.28% ahead of October jobs report, scheduled to be released at 8:30 a.m. Friday. S&P 500 dropped 1.86% as big tech stocks tumbled on Thursday. Intel CEO Gelsinger said during the earnings call, quote, "We made significant progress on our cost reduction plan," end quote. According to the US Department of Labor, the number of Americans claiming unemployment benefits fell from 228,000 to 216,000 in the week ending October 26, much lower than expectations of 230,000. The number of Americans receiving benefits after an initial week of aid also decreased from 1,888,000 to 1,862,000 in the week ending October 19th. The number of initial jobless claims peaked at 260,000 in the week ending October 5th. Then it dropped dramatically to 216,000 last week. It's a really excellent move. According to the US Bureau of Economic Analysis, personal income increased 0.3% in September from a month ago, in line with expectations. Personal spending rose 0.5% at a monthly rate in September, higher than expectations, and real personal spending moved up 0.4% in September. So we can find strong consumption in September. When it comes to the inflation numbers, PCE price index rose 0.2% in September on a monthly basis and increased 2.1% from the previous year. The core PCE price index, excluding food and energy, rose 0.3% from a month ago and 2.7% at a yearly rate in September. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics released Employment Cost Index for September on Thursday. According to the report, compensation costs, which include wages, salaries, and benefits for civilian workers, increased 0.8% on a quarterly basis, slower than a 0.9% increase in the second quarter of 2024. Compensation costs for civilian workers increased 3.9% for the 12-month period ending in September 2024, lower than a 4.1% increase in June 2024 and a 4.3% gain in September 2023. So we can see slowing momentum in wages, salaries, and benefits for civilian workers. 10-year Treasury yield topped 4.339% on Tuesday, then fell as the BLS reported that the number of job openings decreased to 7.4 million in September. However, the yield rebounded SPEA reported Wednesday that the U.S. GDP grew 2.8% in third quarter 2024, indicating strong U.S. economy in the previous quarter. Then it moved up as a dramatic decrease in initial jobless claims and strong personal spending were reported Thursday. But the yield fell again as investors continued to digest mild inflation increases and slowing employment cost index. For the U.S. stocks, S&P 500 fell 1.86% as big tech stocks tumbled on Thursday. Shares of Microsoft fell about 6%, Meta stocks dropped about 4%, shares of Amazon lost 3.28%. Chip stocks, including Nvidia, also tumbled on Thursday. Shares of Intel jumped above 7% Thursday in extended trading as the company reported better than expected guidance during the earnings call. The company reported $13.3 billion of revenue, down from $14.2 billion in the third quarter 2023, and 46 cents of a loss per share, down from 41 cents earnings per share in the third quarter 2023. When it comes to the guidance, the company expected it to be between $13.3 billion and $14.3 billion for the current quarter, higher than $13.3 billion of revenue in the previous quarter and $13.6 billion of market expectations. Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger said during the conference call, quote, "We delivered third quarter revenue above the midpoint of our guidance, and we made significant progress on our cost reduction plan." That said, Q3 profitability was negatively impacted by the charges we referenced on our Q2 call. This reflects the aggressive actions we are taking to lower our cost, improve our efficiency, and enhance our market competitiveness. Okay, this is the end of today's news. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend.